கலம் கவிழ்ந்த போது வைத்து வைத்தடுக்குவான் வெண்கலம் கவிழ்ந்த போது வேணும் என்று
15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly.
அண்டமும் அகண்டமும் ஆனவஞ்செழுத்துளே ஆதியான மூவரும் ஆனவஞ்செழுத்துளே அகாரமும் அகாரமும் ஆனவஞ்செழுத்துளே
When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had